In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply vendor credit in QuickBooks Online. If you've received a credit from a vendor and you want it to reduce the amount you're paying on a bill, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it quickly and accurately. Before we start, make sure the vendor credit has already been recorded in your books. We're not creating the credit here. We're just applying it to an existing bill. First, head to the Expenses area. On the left-hand navigation panel, click Expenses and then open the Bills tab. This is where you can see all your vendor bills in one place. If you have a long list, you can filter by status or search by the vendor's name to find the specific bill that needs the credit. Next, locate the bill that should receive the vendor credit and click Mark as Paid. This takes you to the bill payment page. Don't worry, clicking Mark as Paid doesn't finalize anything yet. It simply opens the payment window where you decide how the bill will be settled. On the bill payment page, look for the section that lists available credits for this vendor. You should see the vendor credit you previously entered. Select the credit you want to apply. As soon as you select it, QuickBooks will automatically reduce the payment amount by the credit value. If you have multiple credits, choose the one that matches what you intend to use today. If the credit fully covers the bill, the amount to pay will drop to zero, and no cash will leave your bank. If the credit only covers part of the bill, you'll see the remaining balance that you'll pay as usual. Take a quick moment to confirm the payment date and account look right for your records, and that the math aligns with your expectations. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. That's it. QuickBooks applies the vendor credit to the bill and updates your records so your payables and expenses stay accurate. If a balance remains, you can complete the payment right away or handle it later. Either way, the credit is now tied to the bill. If you don't see the credit on the bill payment page, double-check that the credit was created for the exact same vendor and that it hasn't already been applied. Also, ensure the bill and credit are in the same currency and company file. For extra confidence, you can review the vendor's transaction list after saving to confirm that the bill shows the applied credit. And that's all you need to apply a vendor credit in QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching, and keep your books tidy with these simple steps.